We are supposed to simplify this, which is 2a plus b all squared minus b minus open bracket b minus 2a bracket close all squared. So let's solve it together. So let's write the equation again. We have 2a plus b squared minus b 2a all squared, right? So what you do is that you look at this and it should remind you of a rule which, or scientific term which we know, a mathematic term which we know as what? Difference of two squares, right? So let me show you here what I mean. So we have a rule that says that if you have a, right, minus b, a squared minus b squared is the same as a minus b, or in brackets, open bracket, a plus b, right? So we'll use this ideology to solve this question. So what we are going to do is that we will say, let a equals this, or this should be a, right? So 2a plus b, right? And then let b equals the whole of this, which is b minus 2a, right? So we will have a squared minus, when you substitute them, right, you have a squared minus b squared, right, which will give us what we were saying, or what I introduced you to, which is difference of two squares, right? So therefore we can now say this is equal to what? A minus b, a plus b, right? So we can substitute this, the whole of this, as a in here, and this as b in here, and in here, and the a also in here, right? Okay, so that being said, let's substitute, right? So we open bracket, we have 2a plus b minus b plus 2a, right? Bracket close, we open bracket again, we have 2a, right, plus b plus what? B minus 2a, right? So given that, we will now see that this b will take care of this b, right? And then here also this 2a will take care of this 2a, right? Because the 2a here is negative, this 2a is positive, so it takes care of each other. This b here is positive, this b here is negative, it takes care of each other. So now we will have 2a plus 2b, right? And then you open another bracket, we will have b plus what? B, right? So now we will have 4, sorry, I made a mistake here, it's supposed to be a. So now we'll have 4a, and then this plus this will give us 2b, right? So after multiplication, we will have this multiply this, we will have 8 a, b, right? So that becomes our final answer. Let me go through with it. Let me go through again, so you take your time to understand. So we are supposed to simplify open bracket 2a plus b bracket close or squared minus open bracket b minus 2a bracket close or squared. And I'm saying that in order to solve this, right, we have to use the mathematic way, which is known as difference of two squares, because this, the whole of this, can be one entity. Let's say it can be, as I used earlier, the whole of this. We can say let A represent the whole of this, and then we can also say let B represent the whole of this, you know. And if A represent that, it means A squared minus B squared. And we know already that if you have A squared minus B squared, or it could be Y or X squared minus Y squared, it's all the same thing. If you have something like that, it's difference of two squares, right? So difference of two squares is the same as, for the AB, you have A minus B times A plus B. If it is X squared minus Y squared, it's X minus Y, X plus Y, right? So that's the ideology we used to solve that, and then we substituted the real values into it to get our final answer. Please, if you don't understand anything, let me know. I will do another video to explain further. If you don't understand anything, please write it in the comment section. Write it in the comment section, and you can also send me a message as well. I'm always available to help out to understand. So thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you.